Today we are going to show you the best drones under $300 you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best drones under $300 for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you the best tech products which you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering drones under $300, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5, Holystone HS720G. This drone is perfect for capturing stunning and vivid footage from a bird's eye view without missing any details. With powerful brushless motors and a maximum battery life of 26 minutes, HS720G offers stable flight and enough time to capture the perfect shot. It can be controlled remotely up to a maximum distance of 999 meters. Designed for novice pilots, HS720G includes multiple functions such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. These features make flying the drone easy and hassle-free. The GPS module and optical flow positioning make HS720G safer, more reliable, and have extraordinary anti-interference capabilities, allowing you to fly farther and more stable. Additional features include Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes, which allow for intelligent flights and hands-free operation. Emergency Stop, Smart Return to Home, GPS module, and One Key Return features are also included to prevent HS720G from getting lost. The drone's intuitive and advanced foldable design, along with the included carrying case, makes it convenient to take with you wherever you go. Weighing less than 380 grams, HS720G is as light as a can of Coke and can be the perfect travel companion. Don't hesitate to take it home and start capturing your perfect memories today. Number 4, DJI Mini 2 SE. DJI Mini 2 SE is an extremely lightweight drone weighing less than 249 g, which is about the same as an apple. It is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and is a perfect companion for all your travel adventures. With Mini 2 SE, you can capture your favorite moments in a new and exciting way. Its HD video transmission can cover a distance of up to 10 kilometers, and it has excellent anti-interference capabilities. You can fly it farther and see clearer, even in windy environments, up to 38 kilometers per hour. The drone has a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, which provides ample time to capture the perfect shot. It flies steadily and reliably, keeping your footage stable during flight. The DJI Fly app provides clear instructions and easy-to-follow flying tutorials that cover all the necessary tips to get started. Smart RTH, Low Battery RTH, and Failsafe RTH features give you more confidence and peace of mind during flight. DJI Mini 2 SE's app also allows you to record and shoot professional-level videos with just a few taps. The drone comes with sphere, wide-angle, and 180 degrees panoramas features, and you can easily generate a panoramic masterpiece with just one tap. The drone's 1/2.3-inch CMOS camera delivers 12 MP photos and up to 2.7K videos, allowing you to capture beautiful moments with family and friends, or the full scope of natural scenery on a trip. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, DJI Mini 2 SE can add something special to any creative idea. Number 3, Potensic ATOM SE. The ATOM SE drone is a lightweight and compact device that weighs less than 250 grams. Its fold-up design makes it easy to carry in a jacket pocket, making it ideal for outdoor activities. With its Sony 12MP CMOS sensor, it can capture images in both JPG and RAW (DNG) formats and shoot 4K HD videos at 30 frames per second. With a 118 degrees field of view and a vertical camera angle that can be adjusted from +20 degrees to -90 degrees, you can capture more scenes. The drone's exclusive shake-vanish electronic stabilization technology helps reduce wobble, resulting in smoother and more stable aerial footage. The ATOM SE drone has a control range of up to 4 kilometers per 13,123 feet, thanks to the PixSync 2.0 technology, which ensures stable and consistent video in most shooting conditions. The upgraded Surgefly flight control system and shake-vanish technology make flying the drone a great experience, and help you take smooth and steady aerial shots. The drone has 3 flight modes, video, normal, and sport, that allow pilots to challenge their flying skills. In sport mode, the drone can reach a maximum speed of 16 meters per second in 2.8 s. The TOF sensor helps achieve high-accuracy positioning and more stable control when flying indoors or in GPS-denied environments. The ATOM SE drone has a dedicated return-to-home button that allows it to fly back to the takeoff point at any time. The Potensic Pro app provides features like Follow Me, Points of Interest, and Circle Flight, giving you more opportunities to have fun with the drone. The ATOM SE Fly More combo comes with 2,500 mAh batteries, each of which can fly for up to 31 minutes, providing a total of 62 minutes of flying time. The standard kit comes with only one battery. Number 2, Ruko U11 Pro. The U11 Pro drone comes with a 4K camera that is mounted on shock absorbers to reduce blurring and capture crisp, stable images. With a 90 degrees adjustable camera and 5G FPV transmission, you can capture all of your treasured moments. The drone is set to beginner mode when it leaves the factory, but if you want to fly higher and farther, you can reset the flight altitude, flight distance, and return altitude on the app. During automatic return or one-key return, the drone will first take off to the flight altitude before returning to home. The combination of optical flow positioning and air pressure altitude hold keeps the U11 Pro locked in a stable hover without the need to touch the controller. Upgraded optical flow positioning technology also ensures steady, stable indoor flights. The U11 Pro drone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, each supporting up to 26 minutes of flight time. This gives you more time to capture that perfect shot and less time charging. The drone's compact size, folding design, and premium protective carrying case make it easy to take wherever you go, so you can capture all of your happiest moments. Number 1, Bwine F7 Mini. The Mini F7 drone is designed to be lightweight, weighing in under the maximum weight limit for FAA registration in the US. It's also highly portable, with a foldable design that makes it small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. With its compact size and included storage bag, you can fly it anywhere, anytime without any restrictions. The Bwine F7 Mini drone features an optimized Full HD camera, complete with a shock absorption ball imported from Germany. This advanced camera technology allows you to capture high-resolution details in UHD 4K, 4096x3072p quality. The drone also features 5 GHz FPV transmission and a 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 130-degree FOV lens, allowing you to take epic wide-angle shots from a bird's-eye view up to 1,640 feet away. Setting up and flying the Bwine F7 Mini drone is easy, with only 3 simple steps to get started: power on, calibrate, and one-key takeoff. The drone comes with beginner settings, making it easy for anyone to get started. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.